सो गुड इवनिंग ऑल. ऑनलाइन इतना काम स्ट्रेंथ है क्यों? म्यूट है क्या? कैन यू हियर मी ऑनलाइन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So have you did these questions? Which 19, 18? 18 तो किया है ना हम? हाँ, we have did 18. 19 and 20 have you did online? Offline किया था? Is there any doubt regarding 19 and 20? So let us do 21.
Ma'am,
हाँ, yeah, tell me.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
हाँ,
In
you haven't done.
no, sir, ma'am, I have a doubt on illustration 15.
Huh? Your voice is not clear. 15th question. You have a doubt regarding
Yes,
15th?
ma'am.
अच्छा,
Yes,
tell me. 15th तो हाँ, या टेल मी.
मैम यहाँ पे जो एवरेज इन्वेंट्री बैलेंस 460 यूनिट आया है का मतलब कैसे आया समझ में नहीं आया ये.
विच वन प्लान? कौन सा प्लान है?
प्लान प्लान 1 मैम.
प्लान 1. अच्छा, प्लान 1 में
जो एवरेज इन्वेंट्री बैलेंस 460 था.
क्या? कहाँ पेज नंबर कौन सा है? 68 में.
पेज नंबर 68.
हाँ.
हाँ, एवरेज इन्वेंट्री बैलेंस 460 मैम कहाँ से आया ये समझ में नहीं आया.
अच्छा, 460 यूनिट्स.
हाँ.
अच्छा, it's an average inventory balance. I have told you that class. So can I get a calasi? So you people have did right average inventory. कैल्सी है क्या? कैल्सी? 1 second, I will tell you.
ओके मैम.
How you did? How you people did? So you didn't get it out means you have not done offline. Just left that. It is the total of ending balances adjusted in the month of January is there. No, total कर दो इसका. The 12 months का total कर दो. वो 6th column का total कर दो.
ओके मैम.
That divided by 12 months. Okay.
ओके मैम.
He asked the average inventory, right? So the total divided by 12 months. So let us do 21, 21st question. So what the question is telling, based on the following data on the exports of an item by the company during the various years, fit a straight line. For the time being, assume that a straight line gives a good fit. Give a forecast for the years 2013-14 and how many years are there? 9 years, and number of items are 9. So actually we have done this type of question previously. Okay, have you remembered in the first topic? So tell me the years. Oh, start. Chalo, let us do this. So let us take this years as simple way as what I said in the last previous class, as simple as we cannot multiply these years into the number of items. So we need to simplify these years as by putting 0 in the middle year, and upper terms will be minus and lower terms will be plus. So let us take that years as x. So tell me how many years are there? 2004, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, right? So in the middle one, which will be 0, tell me? 2008 will be 0. So the upper terms will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. The lower terms will be plus 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us take these years denoted in the term x. So the number of items, tell me the y. So let us take the number of items as y. Tell me the amounts fastly. Tell me 13, 20, 20, 28, 30, 32, 33, 38, 43. Achha, okay. So this is x and this is y. There will be a formula called summation of x, sorry, summation of y and summation of xy and summation of x square. So we need to do now what? Summation of x square, next summation of xy. So we need to, first we need to do x square and xy. Tell me x square, 4 square, 16, 3 square 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. So tell me x into y, 4 into 13. Calci. Everyone, you have not got calculators. Huh? You need to carry calci compulsory. 13 into 4, 52. 9 into 60, 4 into 2, 8. Sorry. Tell me. 20 into 2, 40, 28. So these are minus terms, right? Minus 60, minus 0. So 32, 33 into 2, 66. Next 38 into 3, 114. Next 43 into 4, 172. Okay, tell me the summation. Summation of x square, summation of xy. 5, 5, 15, 15, 30, 30, 60. Yes, this is 60 and summation xy will be, tell me summation xy. Is it minus or plus? Plus. 204. Copy. Everyone, is there any doubt regarding this? No. So what's the formula? Y is equal to, tell me, a plus a naught plus a1 x. So equation 1 will be summation, what is that, summation y, that is equal to a naught into n plus summation, sorry, a1 into summation x. This is the first equation. And second one, tell me, summation xy is equal to, tell me what happened, इतना साइलेंट क्यों है सब लोग? Summation x square. So this is the equation 2. Okay, so we need to substitute in this. So if we treat this summation x as 0, let us take this summation x is equal to 0. So 0 into a1 will be 0. So summation y is equal to a naught into n. Okay. Next. So a naught is equal to summation y by n. So summation y, how much? Do it this summation y. 20, 20, 20, 40, 53, 53, 83. Tell me this summation y. 257. Acha, n is equal to the number of years. So 257 divided by the number of years, 9. So what's the answer? 257 divided by 9. 28.5. A1 is equal to 28.5. We got A1. So we need to know A naught. Can I clear it? Everyone copied? So what's the second formula? Summation So tell me the second formula. Let us take summation x is equal to 0. Put summation x is equal to 0. So now the equation will be summation xy is equal to, it will become 0, a1 into summation x square. So a1 is equal to summation xy divided by summation x square. So what is summation xy? 204 divided by summation x square is 60. So tell me a1. So what is a1? 3.4. Okay, you got a1 and now a2. So substitute in that equation a1 and a2 here. Okay. So what will you get? Y is equal to, what is a naught? Sorry, this is A naught, right? This is A naught. Yes, this is A naught. So tell me A naught is equal to 28.5 plus 3.4x. Okay. Next, question number 22. Find the economic order quantity and the reorder point given. Annual demand is 1000 units, and average daily demand small d is denoted. Average daily demand is denoted by d, small d. So that is 1000 divided by 365 days. So ordering cost is 5 per order. Holding cost is 1.25. Is that clear? Okay, is there any doubt? Huh? Is there any doubt? Yes. No. Have you written, copied in your books? Okay. If I am going fast, tell me. I will tell you slowly. Okay. So ordering cost is 5 per order and holding cost is 1.25 and the lead time is 5 days. Cost per unit is 12.5. So what he is asking in the question, what quantity should be ordered? Tell me the formula of EOQ. EOQ is equal to how much? Formula 2AS by C. So what is A? Annual demand. What is annual demand given? 1000 units into S. Ordering cost 5. So carrying cost. So what is the carrying cost? 1.5 unit per year. So okay, he has given yearly, so we need to take 1.25. So tell me what will be the answer. EOQ calculate करके बोल दो. What's the answer? Online? Are you doing with me or not? Huh? 89.44 units. So next, reordered unit. We also need to calculate the reordered unit. So tell me the formula reordered units. D, small d into L. Small d into L. So small d how much? 1000 the divided by 365, right? So what is L? L, lead time is 5 days. So tell me the answer. 13.10. Tell me once again. 13.7. Acha. Okay, 13.7 units. Next, so we need to find the total cost now. So what's the total cost formula? DC, tell me, repeat it with me. DC plus D divided by Q plus into DC plus D divided by Q into S plus Q divided by 2 into H. So tell me now what is DC? D into C. So D obviously 1000 units and C how many? 12.5 cost. So D divided by 1000 units and Q, what's a Q? EOQ, it is nothing but EOQ 89.44. Next into S. So what is that S? 5 S is ordering cost into 5 plus Q. Q is same 89.44 divided by 2 into H. What is H? 1.25. So tell me the amount. Put this bow arrow mark. So DC plus D means the total annual demand into cost. So how the total cost is calculated? Annual demand into the cost plus annual demand divided by EOQ into storage cost plus EOQ divided by 2, that it means average quantity of EOQ into H for what? Holding cost, that is ordering cost. Sorry, carrying cost. Ordering cost, not ordering cost, carrying cost. So tell me answer. DC plus D divided by Q into S plus Q divided by 2 into H. These formulas you should remember. What's an answer? Online? Offline? Total 12611.803. Okay, it's okay. So this is the total cost. It is in rupees, but it's wrong. Why? Give me calcium. $1,000 into 12.5, 12,500, 1,000, 89.44 into 5, 55. 55.9. What happened? Are you getting the right answer? I think it's actually they have missed that one. Printing mistake. Add मतलब 1 लिख लीजिए 2 के पहले 1261181. Answer is 126. So that's why you need to do it on your own. Many mistakes will be there in your material. Study material में बहुत mistakes होता है. So you need to do in Calci. So 12611.81 online. Correct that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. So for the next one you can do it. Okay, it's simple. So 24th you can. So I will tell one type of question. So daily demand, look at question number 24. Daily demand for a certain product is normally distributed with a mean of 60, standard deviation of 7, and the source of supply is reliable and maintain a constant lead time of 6 days. The cost of placing the order is 10 and holding cost is 0.5 per unit, and there are no stock out cost and unfilled orders are filled as soon as order arrives. Assume sales occur over the entire 365 days. So find the order quantity and reordered point to satisfy 95% probability of no stock out during the lead time. So he have given what? He has given mean, standard deviation, ordering cost, carrying cost, and he is telling that the sale will occur 365 days. And we need to find out the ordering quantity and reordered point. That only 95% probability that there will be no stock occurring point. Okay, तो पूरा 100% में only that 5% will not occur. मतलब 5% is like inventory. It will be like as an inventory. Okay. So let us do this question. So formula, tell me EOQ. 2AS divided by C. So 2 into A, tell me what is that A? Tell me.
50.
50.
60.
60 into S, what is the ordering cost? Ordering cost? Acha, 60 is the mean. Okay. Into 365 days means annual demand we want. So what is that S? Ordering cost? 10. What's the carrying cost? 0.5. Is that for annual? Annual. Okay. So tell me answer. What's an answer you'll get? Two into 60 into 365 into 10 that divided by 0.5. 936. So it is 936 units. You need to write 936 units. Don't write simply 936. Okay. So next what he is asking? So he is asking reordering point, and he is telling that the 95% probability of not stocking out during the lead time. So what's the formula? Tell me. Standard deviation is equal to under root summation L of I is equal to 1 into standard square D, standard D square. So tell me, so what is the standard deviation they have given? What? 7. Next, what is the L? Lead time. Tell me. So here the lead time is 6 days. It is given in the question. In the second line, maintain a constant lead time of 6. L is the lead time 6 into D square. Standard D square matlab standard deviation into square also further. So 7 square. So tell me what is an answer? 7 into 7 into 6 under root 17.15. So this is 17.15. So what is the reorder level formula? It's very easy. Small d into L. So what is the small d? Tell me small d. Tell me. What is the small d? It's already given 60. The 60 is the average amount. Okay, that's why here in the EOQ we have taken 60 into 365. Okay, so 60 into what is the L? Lead time 6. So here plus Z into 6L. So what is that Z? So the Z is the distribution table. You will get that value from a normal distribution table will be there. I think it will be in the end of your book. No, not given. If not, they will give in the question. Okay, the z value you will get it in the question in the exam hall. Okay, so let us take that z value. They have what they have taken, 1.64 into 6L. So what is that 6L? So that is standard deviation 17.15. So tell me, 360, 16.1.64 into, so 388.16. But here how we got? So everyone is getting 388, right? But in the answer it is wrong. 388, right? So correct that answer. It is not 188, it is 388. Online, correct that. It is not 188, it 388. Answer is 388. Reordered level is 388. So everything is mistake. Why?
मैम ये 6L क्यों लिया है?
हाँ
6L क्यों लिया है?
क्या 6L?
L क्यों लिया है सर मैम?
6L क्यों दिया है क्या?
6L क्यों लिया फॉर्मूला रीऑर्डर में?
अच्छा 6L क्यों दिया है मतलब इसका मतलब क्वेश्चन में दे हैव said that 95% probability of no stocking out during the lead time has given, right? So that's why they are taking that probability. Okay, so they also want that 95% chances are there that no inventory will be made, but that 5% chances is there that the company may make inventory. Sometimes due to lower sales it may make inventory. So that's why they are taking this z मतलब ये normal distribution table में मिलता है. Z values will be there. You will get मतलब you maybe in exam they will give it in the question only. You will get that z value from that question only. Here they have not mentioned, but in exam they will give that z value. So 6 plus 6 into L is like it's a probability that 5% stock may be maintained due to some any reasons. So some unavoidable reason that 5% chances may occur that inventory may be made by that company. So that's why they are adding that Z into 6L in the formula. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
So whenever this probability, this point is given, then you need to add this Z into 6L in the formula. If that is not given, the reordered level quantity formula is only D into L. Okay. If this probability or this stock related any extension is given in your question, you need to add on this formula. If not, only the reordered level, the reordered unit or the reordered level formula will be small d into L. Small d का मतलब annual demand divided by the 365 days into lead time. Okay, you can do this 25th question, right? Next, do the 25th question. So let us do 26th question. 26th question, what they are telling, average inventory calculation करना है. This is the model of fixed ordered quantity model. Suppose the following item is being managed using a fixed order quantity model with safety stock. With what? Safety stock. They are managing the fixed order quantity model. Annual demand is 1000 and order quantity is 300 and safety stock is 40 units. This is, says, what is this safety stock? Can anybody tell? What is this safety stock? Why the company will maintain the safety stock? Huh? Online? Offline? Can anyone tell what is this safety stock? Why the company will maintain? Online? Anyone? Offline? सेफ्टी स्टॉक क्या होता है कंपनी में? व्हाट्स यूज ऑफ सेफ्टी स्टॉक? Yes, to meet the requirement. Sometimes the company get a demand unexpectedly, they can increase the demand, they can get a huge order or bulk order, so they will put some safety stocks in their godown, okay, to meet their demand requirement, okay, that is what safety stock, okay. So what's the formula? Average inventory. So what's the formula of average inventory? Q divided by 2 plus double S. What is this double S? Safety stock. What is this Q divided by 2? How much? Tell me. Order quantity. मतलब ये EOQ. They have already given the value of EOQ. So EOQ divided by 2 is nothing but average demand of EOQ. So tell me Q divided by 2 plus double S. Tell me Q. 300. What's the safety stocks? 40. So what's the amount? 190, right? So 190 units is the average inventory. So next one, inventory turn. Inventory turn. So demand by, this is average inventory formula. And inventory turn. So what's the formula of inventory turn? Tell me. D average inventory Q divided by 2 plus double S. That's all. Okay. So what's the demand? 1000 or 100? Achha, 1000. 1000 divided by, already we have did this average inventory 190. So tell me the inventory turn. Inventory turn ratio will be how much? Inventory turn? Yes, inventory turn will be 5.263 terms per year. So next one, this is a fixed time period model. In this pehla question, 26 ka question is fixed order quantity model, and this one is fixed time period model. So what's the question is telling? Consider the following item that is being managed using a fixed time period model with a safety stock. Weekly demand is 50, review cycle T is 3 weeks, safety stock is 30. So what is the average inventory level and the inventory turn for the item? So this is what the question is based on, fixed time period method. So tell me the formula of average inventory. This is fixed quantity, this is fixed time period. So tell me average inventory is equal to formula. Tell me. Tell me. Small d p t. Acha, t by 2 ss. So what is this small d? Small d given already, weekly demand 50 sorry, into what's the time period they have given? 3 weeks divided by 2 plus what's the safety stocks? 30. So tell me 75 plus 30, 105, 105 units. Here this is based on quantity, so that's why we are only taking the quantity of EOQ. But here this is based on time, so that's why we are taking the time period, weekly demand into time period. Here we are taking only quantity, so we are not taking the time. So you can differentiate the formula, right? So next one, what's the inventory turn formula? Tell me. 52, why they are taking 52? 52 into D divided by average inventory. Acha, DT divided by 2 plus double S. So what is this 52? Tell me. Yes, 1 year has 52 weeks. So they are taking annual period. So that's why it is denoted with 52 weeks. So 52 into this demand. This small d is the average demand. So that's why they are multiplying it with 52 weeks again. So they are making annual demand simply. Okay. So 52 into, what is it, small d? 50, that divided by 105 units. What's the time period? $24.83. Acha, 76. Acha, 24.8. Okay, units per year, right? Turns per year. It's per year. Okay. Online, is that clear differences between this both time period, a fixed time period and fixed quantity? So next
Yes,
one
ma'am.
question. Huh? Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question number 28, price break problem. Consider the following case where the D is 10,000 units and S is 20 to place an order. I is 20% of the cost, that is carrying cost, storage or interest or obsolescence, etc. And C is the cost per unit according to the order size. Order of 0 to 499 units is 5 rupees, where the order size is more than 500 to 999 is 4.5, where the order size is more than 1000 and up to is 3.9. Okay, the cost has been differentiated between that range. So what, tell me the formula? They are taking between the ranges, EQ quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, like that they are taking. Okay, so EQ for range 1 like that. So tell me, 2AS divided by C. So 2 into, what is the annual demand? 10,000. So S 20. Acha. Next C. So let us take this range is between 0 to, what is it, 0 to 499. 499. Okay, this is between 0 to 499. So what will be the carrying cost between 0 to 499? 5. So 20%, 5 into 20%. So 5 into 20%. So tell me answer. Next, this range is between 500 to 999. So let us take this quarter 2. So 2AS divided by C. 2 into, what is this carrying cost between 500 to 999?
Ma'am,
Huh?
मैम यहाँ पे 5 × 20% कैसे है? फिर से समझा दीजिए ना।
कहाँ?
सी 5 × 20%।
हाँ, yes, that is
मैम
20.
हाउ वी गेट इट?
अच्छा
Hello?
ये अच्छा okay, okay, I got it. So this is not percentage, so this is only 20 because the formula is added on because of this range. So this they have given the range, so I into C. Okay, why not percentage? They have given the range because the carrying cost is fluctuating due to the units. The carrying cost is fluctuating, so the formula has given with I into C. In the before questions they have only given the carrying cost which is not in fluctuating model, but here the carrying cost is fluctuating between मतलब order size increase होने से carrying cost is decreasing, so that's why we need to take I because of this carrying cost into order size. Actually carrying cost always will always be on sales price. Okay, we'll take the carrying cost percentage always will on the sales price, but here the units are increasing or decreasing, so the price will also increase or decrease. So the price is fully depends upon the cost, so that's why we need to take I because of this fluctuation. Okay, so do it. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में कितना है? 4.5 into 20. So are you getting that right answers? Two into actually this is percentage only. I is the 20% of cost, right? Actually they have given in percentage only, so then why they are taking 20 into? No, it's wrong I think. So take this 5 into 20%, this is 1. So correct that it is 20%, not 20 rupees. It is 20%. So change that answers. Because in the question also he has mentioned that 20% of cost. So always carrying cost will be depend upon the total cost. So that is 20% of the cost. So where the cost between 0 to 499 is 5 rupees. So 5 into 20%, 1 rupee. So do that, it's wrong. So correct that. So 632.46 units. First one. Quarter number 2, 666.67. The answers are same, but only the point differences is there. So it's actually 20%, not the 20 rupees. Okay. So what's the total cost formula? 3.9. So what is this first one? 6 3 4 2.4. Second one 6 666.67. So write this as units. Next one 7.1 point. So what's the total cost formula? Tell me fast. Tell me. Total cost formula. DC plus D by Q into S plus Q by 2 into IC. So what is the D? 10,000 units, sorry, into C. C how much? It will be also done in quarter 1, 2, 3 models. Okay, so first one is how much? 1 rupee, right? 1 rupee. C is what? 20% of purchase cost, right? So 5 into 20%. Actually IC they have given only to confuse us. Actually we will always take the carrying cost as a percentage of purchase price, right? So let us go to the previous questions. See in the first question, page number 75, first question, the 16th question. Actually what they have given, the cost estimated is 20% of purchase price. Actually they will give a carrying cost as a percentage of purchase price. Always they will give like that only. Only that IC is given us to confuse that. In everything, in every formula there will be IC only, but we'll take directly as C. That is percentage of carrying cost. Remove that I or it's okay in that. Okay. So that is 1. So divided by into. So D by Q into 1 plus what is D? 10,000 divided by Q. 632.4 plus Q into into S. What is S? 20. Okay. So IC is 1, right? Okay, tell me the answer. Don't get confused, it is same as like previous questions itself, only the range differences is given for the carrying cost, so that we need to do for every quarter. For every quarter range we need to do that. So 10632. It's okay. Actually they have took as a 20, right? 20 into 5. So that's why they are getting that much answer. 20 into 5. It's not, it's 20%, right? So that's why. So the answer is 10632. correct in your books. So that 3/4 correct in your books. So what in quarter 2, how much did you got? So just change that carrying cost itself. बस carrying cost change करने से हो जाता है. Finished? Online finished? Is that clear everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what's the quarter number 2? Answer? Total cost for quarter 2 and quarter 3? If you have any doubts, ask me. Okay? Don't get confused in yourself. Completed? Let us do 29. Can I? What happened? Not getting? Huh? What happened? Should I do? Huh? So what will be the carrying cost in the quarter number 2?
0.98. 0.9.
0.9. So what we got, that Q, EVO Q, 666, right? Into S. S is 20. So tell me. $6,000. 300. Everyone, have you got? So what's the answer? 6,600. No.
मैम 9,600 निकला.
हाँ 9,600.
यस मैम.
अच्छा ओके ओके यस यस हाँ हाँ 9,600 सॉरी 9,600. So what's the T3?
8437.
What is this C?
8437 ma'am answer.
Answer is 8437, right? .78. What is this Q? Louder. 716. Tell me how much? $8358.
यस मैम.
8358. Okay. Everyone
Yes, yes.
got the answers? Huh? Got? So let us do this 29th question. A product is priced to sell at 100 per unit and it cost a constant of 70. What's the selling price is? Selling price is 100 and it cost मतलब various cost variable or fixed cost will be 70. So what will be the profit? 30. So each unsold unit have a salvage value of 20. So unsold unit कितना होता है? Salvage value for unsold unit will be कितना? 20, right? 20. So the demand is expected to range between 35 to 40 units for a period. 35 definitely can be sold and no units over 40 will be sold. So the units are ranging between only 35 to 40. Okay? Minimum 40 will be sold. Maximum it can be up to 35 to 40 but not more than 40. Okay? Minimum units will be compulsory 35 units will be sold. Okay? If the demand increases, so the units may increase between 35 to 40, not more than 40. Okay? That is what he is saying. Next, the probabilities they have given number of units where the units are 35, the probability is 10%. Where the units are 36, the probability is 15. 37 units को 25 है, 38, 25, 39, 15 and 40 units 10% probability is there for demand. So let us do this question. So put it like this only. So unit demand tell me 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Here the probability कितना है 0.1, 0.15, 0.25, 0.25, 0.15 and 0.10. Okay, so what the demand? 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So what he said in the question, 35 units will be compulsorily sold. Matlab, is there any unsold stock at 35 units? No. So that is 0. Okay, it is 0. There are no any unsold units, so that's why we need to put 0. So in case 36, where the units are they are 35 but they are selling 36 units, so 1 unit is more. So where the unsold stock value is what? 20 rupees. Next, so where the cost is cost is 70, where each unsold stock has a salvage value of 20. So the loss will be occurred how much? Where the product cost is 70 rupees. Actually here the product is costing 70, where the 20 rupees will go for salvage value of unsold stock. So how much loss will occur for the company? Again, how much cost it has put for to make that product? Already it has invested 70 rupees for a product. Okay, it has already invested 70 rupees for product, where it has been selling 100 rupees. So in this case it is making 30. But where if we have a units where the units matlab the products are unsold, if we have unsold products, now in that case how much cost the company is making? 70. Already that product is not sold, so the unsold product can make a salvage value. मतलब हमारे पास अगर कोई मतलब पुराना चीज़ होगी तो हम किसी को दे देता है ना, मतलब ये क्या बोलते हैं, प्लास्टिक सामान कुछ खरीदता है ना, वो उस टाइप का है. सो रिमूव दैट 20 rupees. Okay, it is our profit only, but to make that product we have invested 70 rupees. So but we got only 20 rupees. So the remaining 50 will be our cost itself. So here tell me, so there are total 35 units, but the demand is for 36. Sorry. So actually the total units are 36, but only 35 got sold. So the another unit is unsold. So what will be the loss we have got? 50 rupees. Okay. Now here it is 37 units, but only 35 units are sold, right? So how much loss we will occur? Already we have 50 rupees loss, again 50, so it is 100. If not, you can look like that, 37 minus 35, it is 2 units, 1 unit के लिए 50, so it is 100. So next tell me, 150, next it is 200, next it is 250. So as it is same, tell me fastly. So here is the 36 units. So what will be the probability here? 36 units है, पर लेकिन here 35 has been sold. Tell me the probability of 36 into 1.5. into 1.5, 5.4. No, I think it's cost we need to do. नहीं, ये probability नहीं है. Actually we are gaining here the profit of 30 rupees. Because tell me why we are gaining here 30 rupees profit? Can anyone? Here there are 36 units, Here these are 35 units. In the second case, we are gaining 30 rupees profit. Here we have incurred a loss of 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 because there are unsold stocks. Okay, there are unsold stock. But in the second case, we are gaining 30 rupees profit. How? Anyone? Tell me. By that only I will know that did you understood or not. Once go through it. What I explained, what is there in that, once go through it. Try to gain.
मैम ये वाला फिर से समझा दीजिए ना,
हाँ,
फिर समझ में नहीं आया ये.
समझ में नहीं आया. हाँ, wait a while. I will explain. I think offline students have got. Can anyone explain? I was expecting anyone to explain this 30 rupees offline.
% loss. मैम 50 में 20 लॉस था.
हाँ,
50 जो था उसमें से 20 सैलवेज वैल्यू था, इसमें 30.
हाँ, I know that 30 is this profit, but how you are taking this 30 as a profit in this case where the units are 36, the number of units sold is 35. How you are taking that? What I am asking. Okay, I will explain once again. See this. Here the total units are 35. 35 got sold. So here no profit, no loss. Okay. But here the units are 36. Huh?
If the units are sold between 35 to 40,
Okay, first. Yes. Yes. Huh? Huh. Huh. Huh? No. Actually, they have produced 36. 35 units are sold. मतलब 1 unit बाकी है ना, that is unsold. So unsold का loss कितना? We are making unsold goods. We are making a loss of 50 rupees for unsold goods. So that's why here 50. Okay. Here they produce 37, but the demand is only for 35. So the two are unsold. So this is 100 rupees. Here we have produced 38, but the demand is only for 35. So loss is 150. So like that. Okay, is that clear? Now tell me how we got 30 profit here. Here the units produced are 35, but the demand is for 36. मतलब we have more demand for our products because मतलब we are making profit for that 1 unit. Okay. Here we have produced 36, but the demand is only for 35. But here we are making 36. Sorry. 35, but the demand is for 36. Actually here it is 36 units we have produced, but the demand is only for 35. But in the second row we are making 36 products, sorry 35 products, let us put it 0, it is confusing. So in the second one we are producing 35 units, but the demand is for 36. Here 1 unit extra we have demand, means we are making profit for this 1 unit, right? We have more demand for our products. But in the first column what we have done, there are 36 units but the demand is only for 35. Here one stock will be unsold, but here one product is needed again to the customer. Here we are making unsold stock, but here the demand is more for our product. Okay, so here 36, 36, 0. So next one, we units produce 37, the demand is only for 36. So what's the loss we make? 50. Online, clear? Anjana, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, the units produced are 38, but the demand is only for 36. So 100, here 150 and here 200. Tell me the next row. 30 is not clear. So I will explain once again, I will erase all these things. So tell me the units: 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, right? So remove that probability, okay? Here the units produced are 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, okay? So here the units produced are 35, units sold are 35, so here it is 0. Where the units produced are 36 but the units demanded is only for 35, here we are making a loss of 50, here 100, 150, 200 and 250. In the second case, the units produced are 35 but the demand is for 36 units. We have only produced 35 units but the customer is demanding one more unit, means we are getting profit. Okay, our products has more demand, means we are making profits. How much profit a unit is making in the question? 100 rupees minus 70 rupees cost, so it is making 30 rupees. Okay, is that clear? So next, produced 36, demand 36, 0. So 37, 50, 100, 150, 200. Okay, is that clear everyone? Clear? So next one, tell me. So next tell me, how much profit they are making? 60, because 2 units the product customer is demanding. So 2 into 30, 60. Next here 36, here 37, 1 unit, 30, 37, 0, 50. Online, clear? Is there any doubt online? Ask me. Here 90, 60, 30, 0, 50, 100. Sorry, 120, right? 120, 90, 60, 30, 0 and 50, 150, 120, 90, 60, 30 and 0. Okay, is that clear everyone? Now online?
Yes, ma'am.
Anjana, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is very simple but only something you need to understand. So next one, question number 30. ऊपर में लिख दो ऐसे, these are the units produced, like these are the units produced and these are the units demanded. Write it over there, units produced and these are the units demanded by the customer, so that you can, whenever you are revising, you will get easily. So question number 30, a company currently has 200 units of the product on hand that it order every 2 weeks when the salesperson visits the premises. The demand for the product average 20 units per day with a standard deviation of 5 units, and the lead time is 7 days, and the management has a goal of 95% probability of not stocking out for the product. मतलब should not making of inventory of that product. So the salesperson is due to come in late his afternoon when 180 units are left in the stock, assuming that 20 days are 20 are sold today. So how many units should be ordered? So what's the standard deviation? Company is currently having 200 units on hand that it ordered every 2 weeks. But how the 21 they have taken? The lead time is only 7 days. And every 2 weeks only. 2 weeks also 7 twos are, it should be 14. Every 2 weeks. Okay, leave that. I will tell you afterwards. I think it will be a mistake surely. Which one? Average demand. Which one? Acha, D into TL, right? That one. Which one you are telling? Which formula? 83 पेज नंबर. कौन सा पेज नंबर है? अच्छा, earlier you have done. Which formula?
Time period, ma'am. T into A. T so
This one.
SL. Time period.
अच्छा, standard deviation is equal to under root L, that one, L into standard square. No. Which one you are telling? Tell me. Have you did it previously? How you did? Have you मतलब ये 21 days कैसे लिया था? It's 14 days, right? Actually. हाँ, so that is what I am telling. It's actually 14 days, but they have took 21. How? You got the answer. You got the same answer.
No, I didn't use this formula.
So which formula?
The previous time I have attended some classes are only simple. That time sir taught us one formula. Average demand into time.
Hmm.
Z into root over lead time into standard deviation.
Z into T divided by standard L into standard deviation. अच्छा, उसमें आया था सेम आंसर आया था. You got the same answer. You got 4 point. अच्छा इसका. So tell me. So let us do this formula only because how they are telling. Tell me the formula. Average demand. How it is denoted? Denotion. अच्छा, like that only. हाँ, average demand into time. but in this question they have not given. Okay, leave it. I will tell you tomorrow. No, if not, okay, I will tell you tomorrow. The second, 31st question is easy. You can do that. So substitute those item numbers into A, B, and C analysis. Okay. It is easy only. Okay, you can do that. Okay, we'll discuss the topics on Wednesday. I think tomorrow there will be no class. Thank you.